Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be flying the rapid racing drone by Elite. This is actually its maiden flight, so it is a test flight. Let's get straight to it. Alright, let's take off here right now. Okay, a little bit heavy there. Nice takeoff. Reacts perfectly to the transmitter. I'm just gonna, just take it easy with it right now. Today I will just be flying LOS since it's the first flight. I just want to test it out and see how it performs. My goodness, this thing is a monster! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Woo! My goodness. That wasn't even the bust right there. That wasn't nothing. I just, give it a little pinch. And it took off like a bumblebee or something. My goodness. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Yeah! Man. This thing is another level, guys. This thing is another level. Woo! Man, I should have been flying this thing FPV. Woo! My goodness. Yeah, let me bring it home, man. Yeah. My goodness. I have really, been anticipating this test flight. I was expecting it to be, awesome, or a little bit mediocre, because this rapid racing drone really hasn't got the publicity or the accolade it deserves. But it is something else. It is something else. My goodness. My goodness. All you need is a good FPV goggle and you're good to go with this drone. You're good to go. Woo! Wow. Wow. No, I'm happy. I don't think I've done even up to 5 minutes, but I think it is worth every penny, guys. I think it is worth every penny. This is the beast. Man, this is it right here. My goodness, it takes off like nobody's business. It's gone. Man. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Just leapfrogging it right there. No, it is a good one, man. It is very stable, very stable, very agile, very agile. Messed up there. Let me see. I was trying to catch it quite close to the ground, and then before I knew it, it had already hit the ground. Okay, let me dust it off a little bit here. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's what I'm talking about. Woo-wee. That that thing just disappears, man. I'm not gonna say it flies, it disappears. Wow. Wow. Look at this. Look at that bird, man. Look at that bird. Woo! That thing is a ninja. Woo, wee, wee. Wow. Yeah, today is all about just, getting used to it, just, trying to know how it reacts, trying to, get to that point where I can anticipate what is going to happen or what it's going to do in a certain circumstance. Yeah. So, just testing it out today. But so far, man, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I am talking about, the rapid racing drone. Woo! Woo! This is exactly what I needed, man, to add to the fleet. This is exactly what I needed to add to the fleet. Woo! Look at that bird. Man, I'm so pumped right now. Man, I know I've been dreaming about this thing tonight. Woo! I thought I was gonna give some review, but I just got carried away by the way it performed, man. Yeah, honestly, I didn't really expect it to be that that awesome. Yes, this is a perfect adage to my fleet right now. Yeah, exactly what I needed. Yeah. Woo. Alright guys, I don't know whether you all can hear the beep, but the battery is low. It has been an awesome maiden flight. Very impressive. Very impressed about this particular bird right here. So guys, please leave your comments below. Tips, comments, questions, advice, everything is welcome. And for those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell so you get every notification, and I will see you all on my next video. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.